Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can import videos into CapCut. So here I've already opened the CapCut PC, and to import videos or media into CapCut, what you need to do is head to the media menu in here, then click on the local option and there will be an import option. So here you can just click on this import button, then just select the media or videos that you want to add. So for example, here I'm going to add, okay, I'm going to add this video. So select the video that you want to import and just click on open. Okay, sorry, I'm going to find another file, maybe this one. Okay, just click on this open button. Okay, so you guys can see here now the media or video will be imported to CapCut, and if you want to add it to track, just click on the plus icon. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.